Welcome to part 76 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning one of the most important social skills, small talk. Small talk is light, friendly conversation. It builds connection before getting to the real topic. In English-speaking cultures, it's essential. Let's start with how to open a conversation. The most classic topic, the weather. Lovely day, isn't it? Can you believe this rain? It's finally warming up, isn't it? The weather always works. It's safe. Everyone shares it. Now, how do you keep the conversation going? Ask follow-up questions using really and how about you? Oh, really? That's interesting. How about you? Listen for something to explore. If someone mentions their job, ask about it. Oh, you're in marketing. What kind of work do you do? Other safe small talk topics include weekend plans, local events, shared experiences. Are you doing anything fun this weekend? Did you catch the game last night? Have you tried the new cafe on the high street? Now, how to gracefully end a small talk conversation. Well, it was lovely chatting with you. I'd better get going. Lots to do. It was great to meet you. Hope to see you again soon. Be warm, but don't drag it out. The secret to great small talk: listen, respond, and ask. Show genuine interest, and people will remember you. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.